Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, look at this. You cannot make it up. Bitcoin was in this bullish pennant, and as predicted yesterday, Bitcoin broke out exactly here, even perfectly confirmed the breakout. The question everyone is asking right now, will we be rejected right here, or is Bitcoin going to continue its parabolic run towards the upside? I do want to share with you my specific game plan, my predictions, and my price target for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. I have some things to share with you which will certainly catch you by surprise, but also Ethereum against US dollar. We hit the first price target right here, and look at this. Yesterday I was exactly calling for the 400 US dollar price target, and look at this, the AB equals CD move here, perfectly in confluence with this resistance box. We hit the price level to the exact dollar. I will be talking about what I am expecting for Ethereum here after we hit our price target. Of course, I will be showing you also here my two trades on Phoenix. The first one 57,000 US dollars in profit, the second one 34,000 US dollars in profit. I will be showing you exactly what I am planning for Bitcoin with my trades, my take profit areas, and my exact game plan. Also, of course, it wouldn't be MMCrypto without any on-chain metrics. This chart here is right now going completely parabolic. Is this bullish or is that bearish in the immediate short term? And what does that mean here for Bitcoin? So make sure you take a seat, you scroll down. Yesterday's video, look at this, it got 5,100 likes. Thank you so much for that, guys. Please scroll down, smash up the like button if you want to give back. It is completely for free. It really cheers me up. Let's hit 5,000 likes once again. Thank you so much. You are the best crypto family. Also, press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. I will be pushing sometimes 2 times per day. If you don't press the subscription button, you might be missing out on the next update. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay, guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this. I mean, guys, you cannot make it up. We are here on the hourly candles, and exactly as predicted yesterday here, the Bitcoin price broke out. And remember the 2 requirements I always mention for a successful breakout. First of all, being significant volume here, beating at least the previous volume candles. This was the case. And then second of all, even more important for me personally and for my trading, is that after the breakout, we are perfectly here confirming the breakout. And look at this, we exactly confirmed the breakout. This is absolutely beautiful, and this is what I've been talking about yesterday. The question everyone asking right now is, of course, whether you are in a trade or whether you are not in a trade, how high will Bitcoin go? Will we get follow through? If so, what is the price target, or will we be rejected? This is exactly what I want to be talking about today. I will be talking about Ethereum, some crazy on-chain metrics, and guys, you know, if you're watching MMCrypto, you do not want to miss out on these on-chain metrics, that's for sure. And I will be showing you my my trades right now, where I'm going to take profits, and also what profits I am racking in here just as a transparency measure. First of all, look at this. So Bitcoin went here bullishly into this bullish pennant. It is a continuation pattern. We had declining volume, we broke out. Right now Bitcoin is pretty predictable, and I have to admit, there were times where it was not predictable, and there were times where Bitcoin caught me by surprise. Right now it is really like textbook, every single move. And of course, this is already the first warning sign. I will be talking about the warning signs later on. First of all, Bitcoin broke out, and what I have been talking about yesterday, and I want to add a little bit of spice to that after this, was this price target here. You probably remember that if you watched yesterday's video. It, by the way, went completely viral. I mean, guys, thank you so much for liking the video. Really, I do appreciate that. And seeing 5,000 likes on a crypto video, man, I mean, it is very hard to find that. So thank you so much for that. And this price target is at 13,500 US dollars. Of course, we are still far away. And of course, I'm not telling you we will for 100% likelihood go there. But since everyone, or like many of our community members, went in a trade here where we did it at this breakout, we have a little bit of time for that, and we can be a little bit more calm. But look at this price target. I mentioned yesterday that this target is of course in perfect alignment with the previous high we had here in July 2019. But even more important for this price target to get validity is always more confluence of other indicators, right? Well, if we were to take the Fibonacci retracement level from the swing high to the swing low, then you can basically see that this price target is in perfect alignment, 13,500 US dollars. basically exactly in the middle of the Fibonacci golden pocket. So guys, please tell me that this is not an astonishing confluence here as a price target for this specific breakout we have been talking about already yesterday. Well, if I were to pull out the VPVR, we see something very interesting unfolding right now. The last area of resistance when it comes to this VPVR is basically exactly, look at this. After the price level, we are fighting it right now. We only have thin air, like a lot of thin air only. There's nothing left. Look this, I mean, the volume is just completely falling off a cliff right now. Of course, we see Bitcoin here for a very important reason, finding a small rejection here on the hourly candles. However, in case we were to break out of this VPVR last cluster of resistance, so to speak, then we only have a lot of thin air above us. Of course, we have a psychological level here, the previous high of 13,500, but talking on the weekly time frames, well guys, the $20,000 all-time high is not all too far away. So right now we are seeing this happening. Right now we are keeping an eye on the next price target. We are facing resistance here. We have to overcome this resistance. If we are, I think $13,500, not in the immediate short term, but in the next 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks is a very likely scenario. But please guys, expect a blow off top at one point of time. I will be talking about when that may be. Wait here until the end of the video, guys. And next up, Ethereum. I mean, guys, once again, you cannot make it up. First of all, a few days ago, we hit the first price target of 330. In this specific moment, if you remember it correctly, we were calling about the prices, for the prices between 370 and $400. And I mean, look at this. This is the AB equals CD move we were actually calling out yesterday and also a few days ago. And exactly, but pretty much exactly, we hit this price target. Please guys, once again, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below and your specific gains. Look at all these comments. I mean, we have hundreds of people. Yesterday's video got 800 comments. Hundreds of people thanking us for the calls here and showing us their profits, like 30%, 40%, 50%. It is absolutely crazy, guys. This makes me more happy than my own trades and my own gains, basically. So before I show you my trades here on Bitcoin specifically, also I have 2 positions open and I will show you exactly what I'm planning right now, exactly what the profits are. I wanted to show you something mind-blowing on the Ethereum US dollar chart. And by the way, guys, altcoins usually I'm trading against Bitcoin. Ethereum is like the only coin besides Bitcoin, which is of course king, which I would be trading against US dollar, because Ethereum's fundamentals are extremely strong. As the only altcoin in the world, I would say, well, there I'm very confident holding it for the long run, right? This is the reason why I'm here on the US dollar chart. Otherwise, I would be plotting it against the Bitcoin chart. You can plot it against the Bitcoin chart. It's completely fine. For our purpose, I will do that here right now. And look at this. If you were to pull it from the swing high to the swing low, you find something mind-blowing. Look at this Fibonacci level here, the 23.6. It is once again in perfect alignment with the AB equals CD target we were calling yesterday and also a few days ago. The question right now is, of course, what is the next price level we are looking out for? Well, if you are in a leverage trade, this might be a good position to take your first profits, because we will be facing maybe here some serious resistance. Zooming out, you can see this resistance was formed here in 2017, support in 2018, and then we once again had resistance in 2019. So throughout 3 years we built this area. I would be at least a little bit surprised if we smash through the $400 psychological and also chart-wise resistance. So if you are in a leverage trade, it might be a good time taking some chips from the table, maybe your initial investment or so. Make your own research. I am in Ethereum invested also for the long run. So of course the next price target I would be looking out for would be here $594, the next Fibonacci retracement level. And just as a little side note here, guys, the golden pocket would be here in alignment with the $900 to $950 price level. This will take a few weeks, a few months, guys. Of course, don't get too crazy here. I am just talking about potential price targets later on. But yeah, as we can see, I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, guys. Thank you for all your comments. It made me wake up today like at 6:30. I had breakfast. I'm immediately doing this video before I'm going out and enjoying Bangkok. And next up, I mean guys, look at this chart. This is the net unrealized profit and loss on Bitcoin. And this one is giving us such a clear evidence as to what is happening right now and as to what we can expect for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, but also within the next 12 months. I will be talking about that. Before that, I wanted to show you here my trades on Femex. Many people have been asking for that. And as you can see here, I am racking in to 56,000 US dollars approximately in profits here on Femex. And yeah, as you can see, the funding rates, yesterday someone was asking, is it's extremely high. As you know, shorts pay the longs, longs pay the shorts. So it is completely mind-blowingly high. But with these profits, of course, it's fine for me. I just wanted to tell you, always keep in mind that the funding rate is, and right now the longs are paying the shorts. But this is only my first trade here. I went in at 9,400 US dollars. I have been sharing that with you in absolute real time here on the channel. If you appreciate that, scroll down. Let's hit the 5,000 likes once again. Would be really appreciated. But yeah, let's go to the next one here. Let me go to the next sub account here. So we are going over here. And here you can see the second trade I opened at 11,200 is right now also racking in 34,000 US dollars in profit. And why is it so high when my equity is the exact same? Well, here in the second trade, I went in with a higher leverage, and I am planning to close the higher leverage trade earlier. So this is very important to understand. My 10x leverage trade, where I went in lower, I can ride it more towards the upside. This is a higher risky one, but this is also why I'm going to take profits sooner than in the other trade, and this will be very, very soon as well. Here I will be taking profits above this level here, already very close to this one. You know, we are facing resistance here, and on the other trade I will be riding it up, most probably all the way up to the Fibonacci golden pocket of 13,500 US dollars, as I mentioned previously here in this video. And of course, guys, if you do also want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins on leverage, I have the highest bonus on YouTube for you. You can basically get $502 completely for free. You support us also. You are giving back completely for free because you get a bonus, we get a bonus, and also you get basically here the three best leverage exchanges in my personal opinion: Bybit, Femex, and Udex. All you have to do is just clicking this link, and after you click the Bybit, Femex, or Udex link, you put in your email address and your password, and after an initial deposit, you get up to $502 for free. And the beauty about that is, with, for example, if you only take the bonus, you don't touch your own money, you put a 20x leverage on your own bonus, you basically have a 10,000 US dollars trade completely for free. If you double that, well guys, I mean, you can make your own calculations here, right? But the most important thing of this section is, of course, that this is only for experienced traders. Even if we are talking here about a free bonus, please only do it if you are an experienced trader. And next up, guys, this is what I have been waiting for. I have been waiting for this moment. This is the net unrealized profit and loss ratio on Glassnode. And as you know, Glassnode is an on-chain platform. We are talking about on-chain metrics. Basically, I think Willy Woo was the first one, and then we stepped in already in the end of 2018 or beginning of 2019, talking about on-chain metrics every single day. And the reason for that being is because they gave us a very clear evidence here where Bitcoin is going to. They helped us actually predicting these significant moves towards the upside and towards the downside. I mean, guys, I just want to remind you on the last one here. You remember the hash ribbons? This is an on-chain metric we are talking about 1.5 years ago, and we gave the signal right here. And look what happened afterwards. We got the buy signal here on the hash ribbons. On-chain indicators are extremely powerful, and by that time, even the doubters are silent. I am telling you guys, on-chain metrics are the future, and this is why we are using it already since ages ago when no one was talking about it. And this net unrealized profit and loss ratio, it is pulling from the UTXO, the unspent transaction outputs from the Bitcoin blockchains, the profitability of the holders and traders on the Bitcoin blockchain. So whenever Bitcoin is moved at a certain price, it is moved again. You can calculate, was it moved profitably or was it moved not profitably? And this one is basically computing the net unrealized profit and the net unrealized loss, and seeing, well, is the vast majority of people in a profit? This is above this threshold here of 0, or are they trading in a loss? Whenever it's in a loss, then we know everyone is fearful. We should be starting to buy in the 11 years history. This was a perfect indication. Whenever it's profitable, well, this might be the moment. Whenever it's heavily profitable, we might start scaling out. And look at this, the price right now here, the net unrealized profit and loss ratio is at a positive of nearly 0.5, above 0.5. We are basically entering this green denial stage. And the denial stage is something very interesting. This is the moment when the bears are still standing on the sidelines, and this is the moment when we are actually entering the parabolic phase. Zooming out here on this whole cycle, you can basically see that every single time, let me zoom out a little bit more, we were entering this green stage. This was the last stage where we were going completely parabolic, right here in 2011, right here the exact same thing in 2013, price going parabolic, going to the green denial stage. The same thing right here. Look at this, 2017 throughout the whole year. This one in the green area took us from $750 all the way up to $20,000. Whenever within the cycles we are reaching the green area, this might be the moment when Bitcoin starts coming into the area where we can say, well, we will take a breather very soon. And I'm not saying that we will take a breather right now below $12,000. We are going down. It is possible. But what this one actually tells us, just looking also at the previous cycles, is look at this. Whenever we are going in, Bitcoin takes a small breather, but parabolic cycle continues. The same thing right here in December 2016. We went into the denial stage where people are denying that we are in a bull market. Breather, 40% down and then up. We are going into the denial stage again, breather, 40% down, and then we are going up. So this green stage is completely normal. It doesn't mean that, well, now when everyone is going profitable, we should be selling our Bitcoin. This is the nature of the bull market. Well, a bull market makes the vast amount of people profitable. This is why the bear market has been taking the most amount of money from the most amount of people the last 3 years. And now people are standing on the sidelines. So us here very soon, this is what I'm calling going into this green denial area. Is not bearish in the immediate short term. It just goes to show very, very soon we might be going into the areas where Bitcoin might take a small breather between 10, 20, up to 40, 45%. Within a bull market, that's completely normal. And then we are going to continue. As I already said, 13,500 is a possible price target. If we are reaching that, please guys, do not be surprised about the potential blow off top. A small correction of 20, 30, 40% for Bitcoin, that's small. And then the continuation of the bull market. With all the bullishness, I just wanted to give you this different perspective here. I hope you appreciate that. We cannot go completely irrational and go all in on leverage trading, waiting for $20,000. Make a holding portfolio, don't touch it. Make it small trading portfolio. You can touch it. If you lose it, make sure it's an amount you are willing and you can afford to lose. But here right now, going into the green stage in the short term, very soon in 1 or 2 weeks, it can be a short-term bearish sign. But if you just zoom out, you know going into the green territory for the second time in the cycle here, number one, number two, back then 2016, number one, number two. The second time is the bullish sign. This is the parabolic bull cycle in historical perspective, and this is why I am so bullish right now. By the way, guys, as one ending note, especially for everyone who is watching here until the end, you know we are talking about on-chain metrics a lot, and I will always push this content for you completely for free here on a daily basis on YouTube. But what you think about, would you be interested if I put together a course A to Z, completely in depth with all indicators I'm having, showing you exactly how to find the bull market high, how to find the bear market bottom, how to find temporary highs here in confluence of many different indicators with a failure rate of less than 10%. Would you be interested in a course like that if I put that together? Right now I got some more time available. I could put that together for you guys if I see in the comment section that people are interested in that. And as I told you, if you are not interested in that, I keep pushing this content for free on a daily basis. This is only for people who want to take it completely to the next level. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you would be interested in that. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for scrolling down, smashing this amazing like button, and of course also smashing the subscribe button, the bell, and all. As always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.